Good morning, students. In this lesson, last topic, compound ratio. Compound ratio. What is compound ratio? See, sometimes one quantity is changed to other quantity, two or more quantities. That is compound ratio. Like see, one quantity change depend upon some other quantities. That is one quantity, like a x quantity change depend upon y and z quantity, two or more quantities. That is called compound ratio. That is directly proportional or indirectly proportional or inverse proportional. See, x quantity change directly proportional to y, or x quantity change inverse proportional to z. See, so these are compound ratio. See, compound ratio, one quantity is maybe directly changing, one quantity may be inverse proportional. See, and sometimes one quantity change direct proportional and another one inverse proportional. Here individual x quantity change directly proportional to y, and here x quantity change inverse proportional to z, but here x quantity change direct proportional to y and inverse proportional to z. So this is compound ratio. So write the definition. Compound ratio means one quantity change depend upon the some other quantities. That is compound ratio. That is compound ratio. Proportional ratio. Compound proportions. Compound proportion. Compound proportion. So now we are going to on this topic compound proportional. Some examples. Here see. Example problem 1. Consider the mess charge 35 students for 24 days is 6,300. How much will be mess charge 25 students 18 days? Here see, 35 students, 24 days, mess charge is 6,300. 6,300 mess charge. Now next one, 24 days, 25 students, 18 days. Mess charge how much? That is, see here now 35 students stay in hostel 24 days. Mess charge total 6,300. As it is 25 students stay in hostel 18 days. How much mess charge? That is question. So here question you in mathematics question you are completely understand. Problem are easy. Here see. So mess charge. Here students. Here days. Example 1 problem. So 35 students, 24 days. How much mess charge? 6,300. Next one, 25 students, 18 days. Mess charge like a X. Here see. 6,300 is to X, 35 is to 25. Both are which table? Cancellation. 5 7 jar, 5 5 jar. So 7 is to 5 ratio. Next here. 24 is to 18. 6 4 jar, 6 3 jar, 4 is to 3. Now compound proportion. Compound proportion. Here see. 6,300 is to X equal to 7 is to 5 proportional to 4 is to 3. Now 6,300 is to X. Here see. First terms both are multiplied, second terms both are multiplied. 7 cross out 4 is to 5 cross out 3. 6,300 is to X. 7 4 jar 28 is to 5 3 jar 15. So this one here see. 6,300 is to X. 28 is to 15. Here these both are we are extremes. Product of extremes is equal to the product of mean. Compound proportion. See, product of mean. So 6,300 cross out 15 equal to 28 cross out X. So 6,300 cross out 15 by 20 equal to X. Cancellation. See, 7 1 jar, 7 9 jar, 7 4 jar. 7 9 jar 63. So 900. 7 4 jar 28. Next fourth one. 4 1 jar, 4 20s are 80. 80 10. 4 2s are 4 5s are. So 4 225. So 225 cross out x. 15 equal to x. 15 5s are 75. 15 2s are 30 plus 7 37. 15 2s are 30 plus 3 33. So here 25 students stay in hostel 18 days. They must charge 3,725 rupees. Right. Next problem. Here see, here these both are directive proportional or indirective proportional. Here see, 35 here must charge x. So students here decrease, day here decrease, and money also here decrease. So this is all directive proportional. Next one, here 24 workers 6 hours a day can finish a piece of work 14 days. If each worker works 7 hours a day, find the number of work finished same piece of work in 8 days. Next question. Second example. Here see. Example 2. Number of workers, number of hours, number of days. Here asking 24 workers, each worker in a day 6 hours working. So 24 workers, each day each worker 6 hours working. So totally a work finished 14 days. Work finished in 14 days. And next one, 7 days, each person working in 7 days, 8 days finish. So how many workers here? Understand? Here how many workers? Here you are observe, see. Now here hours increasing and days decreasing. So this is directive proportional or inverse proportional. See, both quantities are constant increasing or constant decreasing, that is directive proportional. Here one quantity is increasing, another quantity is decreasing, that is inverse proportional. Here see, hours, each person 1 day 7 hours working, total that finish work in 8 days. So how many workers here using? So this is inverse proportional. See, now 24 is to x, 6 is to 7, 14 is to 8. So both are 2 7s are 2 4s are 7 is to 4. Here see, 24 is to x equal to, so these inverse proportional or direct proportional? Inverse proportional. 6 is to 7 is inverse proportional. Six is to 7 is inverse proportional. So 7 is to 6. Next 7 is to 4 is inverse proportional. So 4 is to 7. 24 is to x is equal to 7 is to x proportion 4 is to 7. So first terms multiply. 24 is to x, 7 4s are is to 6 7 jar. So 24 is to x equal to 7 4s are 28 is to 6 7 jar 42. So both are 14 3s are 14, 2s are 2 is to 3, 24 is to x. So here compound proportion. Compound proportion. See, 24 is to x is equal to 2 is to 3. These both are extremes. These both are mean. So 24 cross out to 3 equal to x cross out to 2. So 2 moving this side, 24 cross out to 3 by 2 equal to x. 2 1 jar, 2 12 jar. So 12 3s are 36. X equal to 36. So next to 36 workers, each day 7 hours he working. How many days they finish? 8 days. Next one, we are going exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. These problems are this like we do or normally we can do. Normally means each person how many days working as that, like here see 10.4 exercise 10.4 first problem. Rice costing 480 rupees is needed for 8 members for 20 days. What is the cost of rice required 12 members for 15 days? First one, answer. Here see, rice cost students days. See, 480 rupees. How many students members, 8 members. How many days? 20 days. So this meaning was 20 days. So 8 members or 8 students using like eating or staying 20 days in a hostel. There are 4 using some rice. That rice cost total 480 rupees. So next one, 12 members, 15 days. So what is the rice cost? Here X. So here see a ratio. Here see 480 is to X. Eight is to 12. 4 twos are, 4 threes are. 20 is to 15. 5 fours are, 5 threes are. Here see. Here numbers increasing and days decreasing. So how much cost here? 480 is to X equal to the 2 is to 3 proportional 4 is to 3. 2 fours are 8. 3 threes are 9. So 8 is to 9. 480 is to X. So here compound proportion extremes, product of the extremes, product of extremes, product of the extremes is equal to the product of the mean. Product of the mean. So 480 cross out to 9, X cross out to 8. 8 moving this side, 480 cross out to 9 by 8 equal to X. 8 1 jar, 8 60 jar, 9 6 jar, 540. So how much? 12 members using a stay in hostel 15 days. They are using some rice. That rice cost 540 rupees. Right. Normally like this one we are doing compound proportion. So normally here see 480 rupees, 8 students, and like here see 8 members. 8 members. How many days? In 20 days. Rice cost how much? 480. See, 8 members in 20 days. Rice cost 480. Now 8 members. 8 members in 1 day rice cost. See, so 20 days 480. So 8 days how much? 480 by 20. 0 0 cancel. 2 1 ja 2 24 rupees. 8 members. 1 day rice cost to 24 rupees. Now one member only. One member in 1 day rice cost. See, 24 cross out 8. 8 1 ja 8 3 ja 3 rupees. Understand that? Like a here see. Every day one member using rice. That rice cost only one member. 1 day 3 rupees. So how many days? How many members? 8 members. 8 3s are 24. So that like how many days they are using? 20 days. So 480. Now one member is 3 rupees. Here next 12 members. 12 members in a 1 day rice cost. How much? One member 3 rupees. 12 members 3 cross out 12. 36 rupees. So 1 day 12 members rice cost 36. Here how many days? 15 days. 12 members in 15 days rice cost. So 36 cross out to 15. 15 6 are 90 0. 15 3 are 45 plus 9 54. So 540. Both are here equal. We do normally that like also we write or this like we do both one. Next one. See, 10 men can lay a road 75 kilometers long in 5 days? In how many days can 15 men lay a road 45 kilometers? So here second one answer kilometers, men's, days. 75 kilometers. How many members? 24 members. How many days working? 5 days. Here see. 24 members. 5 days working. 74 kilometers lay road. Next one. Here 45 kilometers. 15 men. How many days they are taken? Here ratio. Here see. 75 cross out to 45. 15 5s are 15 3s are 24 is to 15. 3 8 are 3 5s are 5 is to x. So here 5 is to 3 is equal to 8 is to 5 proportional to 5 is to x. First terms multiply. 24 days. 10 men in here. 10 men, sorry. 10 men. So 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. First terms multiply. 5 is to 3 equal to 10 is to 2 is to 5. 3 cross out x. 5 is to 3 is equal to 2 5s are 10. 3x. So compound proportional. Compound proportion. Product of extremes is equal to product of mean. Here see 5 see these both are extremes. These both are mean. 5 cross out 3x equal to 3 cross out to 10. So x equal to 3 cross out to 10 by 5 cross out to 3. 3 cancel. 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar. So x equal to 2 days. Next problem. 24 men working 8 hours per day. A piece of work finish in 15 days. How many days can 20 men work at 9 hours per day? See, third problem here. Here see. Men hours days. Men hours days. Here see 24 men, each day 8 hours, a work finish 15 days. Next one. 20 men, each day 9 hours. How many days they are taken? Now ratio here. Here see 24 is to 20, 8 is to 9, 15 cross out x. So 6 4s are 6, 4 6 are 4 5 are 8 is to 9 and 15 is to x. Here see, this is a compound ratio. This compound ratio, this is x terms is inverse proportion or direct proportional. Here see, here x terms, this compound ratio here decreasing. So these quantity are decreasing or increasing? Increasing. So this is inverse proportion. So 6 is to 5 is inverse proportion to 8 is to 9 is 9 is to 8. As is, this is also as is. So 6 is to 5 is inverse proportion to 15 is to x is to 50. Now 6 is to 5 is equal to, like these both are inverse proportional. Now normal direct proportional 8 is to 9, inverse proportional 9 is to 8. 9 is to 8 proportional, x is to 15. So first terms multiply, second terms multiply. 6 is to 5 is 9, we cross out x, cross out is to 15, cross out to 8. So 6 is to 5 is equal to 9x is to 120. So product of extremes is equal to product of mean. Yes, see extremes. Last two terms are extremes. 6 cross out 120 equal to 5 cross out 9x. 6 cross out 120 by x equal to 5 9 moving to LHS. 9 3 3s are 3 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 5 24s are. So 3 1s are 3 8s are 8 2s are 16x. This one are here right, confusing. So this one finished. Here cancellation C. Here see 16. These cancellation here 6 by 120 equal to 5 cross out 9x. These one moving this side, 6 cross out 120, 5 by 9 equal to x. 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 5 1s are, 5 24s are. 2 cross out 24 by 3 equal to x. 3 1s are, 3 8s are, 8 2s are 16 days. So x equal to 16 days. So here remaining only 2 problems. The 2 problems are homework. So we will finish the 10th chapter. Tomorrow we are going to the 11th chapter. Okay, take care. Shall leave the class.